Hi everyone, my name is Oluwajoba and you're welcome to Gospel Keys Easy. In this video, we will be looking at some very nice 736 chord progressions. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Also, you can now sign up to our membership site for free. Links are in the description box below. And if you would like to learn how to play the piano, you should definitely sign up to the membership site. We have a piano foundations course just for you. Alright, so now let's get started. Alright, so let's do this. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of 736 chord progressions in the key of C. So let's go. Okay, so we have this chord, that's a chord 7, and on my left hand I have B, E flat, on my right hand I have D minor. And the chord 3 is a tritone chord, so on my left hand I have E, A flat, D, on my right hand I have C major. And we have a chord 6, A, E, G, on my right hand I have C, D, G, B, D. So I could also play this like this. So I've switched up the chord 6, A, E, A, B, C, D, G, B, D. Okay, so that's one 736 chord progression. Now let's look at another flavor. So we have this chord B, F sharp, A, and that's left hand note, right hand note, D, E, F sharp, A, D, and that's a chord 7. And we have a diatone for the chord 3, E, A flat, on my right hand, C, D, G, C. We have a chord 6, A, E, G, on my right hand, C major 9th. So depending on what the melody of the song is saying, I could play this. So really you can mix up these chord progressions. It depends on what the melody of the song is saying, okay? So you could do this. Okay, so this is from the first 736 I showed you. Now let's do another variation. I'm sure you've heard this before, but there could be one or two people out there that when they heard this, they didn't really know what was going on. So here you have it. So we have B, E flat, on my right hand I have D minor, then on my left hand I have A flat, C, D, G, on my right hand I'm doing the C major like so. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some very nice 736 chord progressions with 3 songs. So the first song is All to Jesus I Surrender. And I'll be doing this demonstration in the key of A flat. Okay, so now I'll show you all the chords I used, but I'll focus more on the 736. Okay, so I started with this. So that's a chord 1. Okay, and that's a drop 2 chord. So I take this up to the next number of the scale, degree 2. Okay, and that's the chord 7. So we have G, F on my left hand. On my right hand I have B flat major. And we have this very ugly sounding chord 3. And on my left hand I have C, E, and B flat, and this is a tritone chord on my left hand. So this on its own is a complete tritone with its root note. The root note is the C, and this is the tritone. So on my right hand I have C sharp, E, F sharp, B, and C. That's a chord 6, chord 1, 4, 3, 6, and that's a chord 5. So that's a 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, so that's a normal chord 2, C sharp major 7th over the B flat, and we have C, C sharp, E, F sharp, A. So I'll do this one more time. And then we have the chord 7 one more time. Okay, G and F. On my right hand I have B flat, D, F, B flat, okay. So I have the tritone chord on my left hand, C, E, and B flat, and on my right hand I'm doing this with the C major chord. Then I switch to this chord, okay, and that's a F sharp major chord. And then I roll the F to the F sharp. So what I'll do is I'll play the song again. So here we go. So I'll do this one more time so you can catch exactly what I've done. Okay, so let's go on to another example, and this time around I'll be using the song How Great Is Our God. So we have the chord 6, chord 7, then we have the 7-3-6 chord progression. So on my left hand I have G, D, B flat. On my right hand I have F major. So we have the tritone chord on my left hand once again. C, E, B flat. On my right hand I have F sharp major. And I'm rolling the F to the F sharp. One more time. So I could play the chord 7 like so. So on my left hand I have G, D, A. On my right hand I have B flat, F, A, C. Okay, and another thing I could do is, okay, so we have G, D, A, B flat, F, A, C, and we play a full proper tritone chord. So on my left hand I have C, E, B flat. On my right hand I have A flat major. And on my left hand I have, let's play this like so, F, C, G, and I have A flat, B flat, E flat, G, and B flat. And lastly, I'll be showing you a 7-3-6 chord progression with the song You Deserve the Glory. Here comes the 7-3-6 chord progression. Okay, so we have G, F on my left hand. On my right hand I have B flat, D, F, B flat. So this is the chord 7, chord 3, C, E. On my right hand I have B flat, E flat, A flat. Okay. Alright, so let me quickly show you what I've just done. So we have a chord 6, chord 7, and we have the usual chord 7, 7, 3, 6, chord 3, chord 6. And we have another 7, 3, 6. So on my left hand I have G, B, B flat minor. On my left hand I have E, A flat, B flat, E flat, chord 6. I have A flat major 7th on my left hand and E flat major on my right hand. Alright, so this is the end of this tutorial. I want to say thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one.